What is the difference between the lowest and highest costs of travel per hour on any train running from Birmingham to York? If we want the lowest and highest costs per hour, we know that the costs don't change depending on the service. They only change depending on the destinations. So we need to look for the fastest and slowest trains. We're going from Birmingham to York, so we're only looking at trains below here. We don't need any of these. And to do that, we're finding the difference between the arrival time and the departure time for each of these. If we do that, we find that the fastest train is this one here, the third one, at 2 hours 57 minutes. And the slowest train is this one at 3 hours 25 minutes. Now let's look at this part, the cost of travel per hour. If we want the cost per hour, we need to take the cost of a ticket and divide by the duration in hours. So for example, for the lowest cost, we want to find the lowest price, which in this case would be £67.30, and divide it by the longest duration, because that makes sure that this fraction is the smallest possible. So the longest duration is this one here, 3 hours 25 minutes, but we don't have this in a decimal format so far. So first we need to convert that. 3 hours 25 minutes is equivalent to 205 minutes. And we can divide by 205 minutes. That'll give us the cost per minute, but we want per hour. So we next need to multiply by 60 to change that from 1 minute to 60 minutes, which is the cost per hour. That gives us £19.70. For the highest cost, we want the highest priced train fare for that one, which is here, £137.10. And we want the quickest train, which was the 257. In minutes, that's 177 minutes. And that gives us the cost per minute, so we need to multiply by 60 to get the cost per hour, which is £46 and 47 pence. Finally, we want the difference between those two, so 46.47 subtract £19.70 is £26 and 77 pence.